5, 6, 7, 8.
Long overdue for a little vacation. Had to get some rest and relaxation. Found the beach in Mexico where I could hide away. A pitcher full of margaritas. The place was packed with senoritas. Didn't speak the language, didn't matter anyway. Shooting straight tequila with the band. Keep another cold one in my hand. Can't forget the soft lime and the way she rocked my world. It's hard to stay away from the water and the girls. Slow in the long cold winter. June's a long way from December. Count the days until I'm under the Cabo Moon. Pick back up where I left off and find myself where I get lost. Can't stop thinking about it. It can't come around too soon. Shooting straight tequila with the band. Keep another cold one in my hand. Can't forget the soft lime and the way she rocked my world. It's hard to stay away from the water and the girls. Shooting straight tequila with the band. Keep another cold one in my hand. Can't forget the soft lime and the way she rocked my world. It's hard to stay away from the water and the girls.
The dance is called Cabo Moon, choreographed by Ira Weisberg. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, shuffle forward, right, left, left, forward, recover, shuffle back, left, rock, right, back, recover. Section 2, shuffle forward, right, left, step forward on left, pivot a half right, shuffle forward, left, step forward on right, pivot a quarter left. Section 3, weave. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, shuffle a quarter right. Last section. Step forward on left, pivot a quarter right, cross, side, behind, sweep right around to back, behind, side. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.